Goa Forward Party President Vijai Sardesai has returned to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding dual citizenship for Goans working abroad. He says Goans should not be forced to choose between their livelihood and their Indian identity. Sardesai points out that while Goan identity was celebrated during the Republic Day parade, many Goans at homes are allegedly facing harassment and the threat of losing Indian passports due to overseas link. Calling migration a long-standing part of Goa's history, he has urged the Prime Minister to recognize his reality and stop what is described as selective targeting of Goans.
On the Republic Day, the nation proudly watched the President of the European Council and a fellow Mulgaonkar, Antonio Costa, flaunting his Goan origin. And he happened to be the chief guest for the Republic Day. This person of Goan origin, who happened to be the chief guest for Republic Day, showed his OCI card and then started the demand for dual citizenship for Goa. I have justified this demand in a press statement in a detailed manner. But what it needs to be done and how it is to be taken forward is by writing a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister, reminding him and drawing his attention to Goans feeling harassed, humiliated and stripped of their Indian passports after becoming OCIs. The same document which Antonio Costa flaunted. So now I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Prime Minister to this and also remind him that he applauded Mr. Costa flaunting his Goan origin. So when India engages Europe as a trusted global partner, India should have the confidence to trust its own people. We Goan are Indians and dual citizenship is due to us because we should not be made to choose between livelihood and nationhood. I have written a detailed letter to the Honorable Prime Minister and urged him to ensure that history is not the reason we Goans are being punished.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.